What's going on? What's going on? Today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Chicago bank robber ends in sudden tragedy. Oh, sudden tragedy. My bad. All right, let's get into it. Let's see what they're talking about.
Bank manager near Chicago noticed an individual acting suspiciously after lingering inside the business for about 15 minutes. When the manager approached Jarrell Thomas, he allegedly pulled a gun from his waistband before leaving the bank. Concerned for safety, the manager alerted security, who contacted Oak Park Police.
Bank security by the name of Ellis. You should be stepping up to speak with you.
Officers quickly located someone matching Jarrell's description 2 blocks east of the bank.
I got one with a khaki coat, black hat,
About to walk into the Oak Park Library.
blue jeans, white shoes.
While multiple officers reported to the area, some officers, including Oak Park Police Detective Alan Reddens, stepped up to patrol the area due to staffing shortages within the department. Jarrell likely tried to enter the closed library to avoid public view, but with the doors locked after the Thanksgiving holiday, he was forced to either confront approaching officers or flee.
Can I talk to you for a second, sir?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right.
Keep your hands reach. No, keep your hands.
Don't reach, bro.
Don't reach. Don't reach.
Keep your hands up.
Bank home.
Put your hands up.
Bank home.
Put your hands up.
Have the bank home.
Hands up, man. All 3 shots fired.
Jarrell opened fire in multiple directions, attempting to hit both officers in quick succession before taking cover behind the library's pillars. One bullet hit Detective Officer Reddens in the right side, causing him to collapse.
Yeah, shots fired, 1040 Lake, 1040 Lake, volume. Is it at the library?
Go. Oak Park Library. He's going towards Grove.
Here, black khaki, black hair, blue jeans.
Got a male, black, khaki coat, blue jeans, white shirt.
Over down.
Got all the those locations at 1040 Lake Street. We're getting the ambulance. Can you tell me if it's at the library or in the park?
At the library.
At the library. You're still in front.
Fighting with him right there.
Out in front at the library. I need more units over at the library, and I got an officer now.
Let me out.
We need a rifle. Get down here with a rifle.
Somebody shut down Grove. Get over to Grove. Where's he at,
Grove
man?
shut down.
He's north.
He's standing by a pillar over by the library on the north side.
Drop your weapon. Drop your weapon. Oh, 3, we're talking to him.
Where is he? He's behind the last pillar.
1040, you talking to him?
Brown coat. Looks like he's got a Glock.
Drop the gun!
Manny, can you see him?
No.
I'm behind you.
All right. Oh, 3, give me a car. Off of Grove, a little bit further north.
I need a
The
car
last
off the
pillar.
Grove on the north side.
Last pillar. Brown
Officer
coat.
over there.
Man, drop the gun and come out, man.
Drop the weapon.
2240, show me an off. 2240, 10-4.
Dude,
Traffic across the ocean and then something going there.
2220, 10-4. 5003, I got River Forest and Forest Park coming your way. Let me know.
Drop the weapon.
stop moving towards them.
Down towards them. 52, be advised, I'm on his east.
I'm on this flank on the east.
Drop the gun!
All 3, who's with Officer Reddens?
We're trying to get back.
Drop the weapon.
What unit is with Officer Wright?
Hey, serious, I'm with you.
51, Edward, 10-4.
I think you hit him. Stay down.
Put down. Down.
Hands.
Stay down.
Boy, they hit him with that act right, boy. Woo. Woo. You see how the boy twirled? He said, oh. Oh, they hit him with that act right. Nah.
we're just,
I think you are.
can come in.
Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down.
Put down.
Damn, what goes on in a person's life to where they just really want to end it all? Because yeah, if you're gonna rob the bank, whatever, you could come out and, you know, put your hands up, go do your jail time, go, you know, do your thing. But as soon as you try to when you shooting at the cops and stuff, that's like, oh, I don't care if I live or die. That's all that tells me. Like, you know, I don't care if I live or die. You know, that's boy, they hit that boy. Whoo!
Down.
Hands, hands, hands. Stay down.
Keep it up, keep it up.
50-12, I fired 2 shots. I fired 2 shots.
On the ground,
Yeah.
on the ground. All 3 suspect down, start rolling EMS.
My leg.
Guns behind you, on the ground.
938. Looks like it's down at 938.
Manny.
My leg.
You need another unit, correct?
Get the gun here.
Oh, you.
Where's he at?
He needs medical too.
Car.
We're looking for a tourniquet on this guy. Where's your shot? You can get one on him. Where's your shot? Where's your shot? This leg.
My leg. Ah, my leg.
Which leg? Which leg?
Alright, starting compressions on which subject?
I may have hit him in the head, so check his head.
Just the bullet. Just left side of his head.
I put one to the window too.
Okay.
So. I shot from the side. I shot from over
You're
here.
over there?
Where were you at?
Which leg? Your left leg?
My right leg.
Right leg. Right leg, all right.
1187, I'm here.
His head too. He's dripping from his head. Back in compression bandages on him for his head.
If it's above her. What do you want? Where you at?
I'm with this, okay. You got the gun? Who's got the gun?
Right there, under the bench.
Oh.
Ain't that crazy? This guy just tried to kill 2 cops, and you know, you hit him, and now it's like you gotta kind of save his life. If you know, you gotta kind of treat him medically. Man, you just tried to kill 2 of us, man. Forget you, man. What? That'd be the bad part. It's like, damn. Or like, I could relate it to like inside, you know, the facility or whatever, right? Okay, boom. Let's say you get into it with an inmate or whatever, or you trying to break up a fight, whatever the case may be, right? And the inmate, let's say an inmate punch you in the face, boom, cracks you, right? But if he hits you and he turn around, put his hands on the wall, you can't touch him. Like, you know, so an inmate could, boom, and you're not supposed to touch him. You know what I'm saying? I can't tell you what happens after that, but you're not supposed to touch him. You know what I'm saying? It's the same type of scenario. This guy just tried to kill 2 cops or whatever, but because he's injured, you know, you got to try to, you know, save his life or try to, you know, do right by him.
No, it's not the bleeding. It's not the problem.
Well, if you want a tourniquet applied.
Ah, it's too much. No. It's gotta be tight. It's gonna hurt to stop that bleeding.
Both Gerald and Detective Reddens were rushed to the hospital. Gerald survived, but Detective Reddens died, marking the first Oak Park first responder killed in the line of duty since 1938. He leaves behind a 19-year-old son, his mother, and a grieving community. That afternoon, retired officers from Chicago, River Grove, Elmwood Park, and the Cook County Sheriff's Office joined Oak Park officers at the scene to salute the fallen officer. Services were held soon after to honor his life.
Detective Reddens' dedication to protecting our community, his courage, and his unwavering commitment to justice will forever be remembered.
This is not a sad moment. This is a pivotal moment in our history to come together and to be united as one.
Detective Reddens' own son spoke to local news about his father and offered some insight behind his reputation as an officer after joining the force in 2019 and becoming a detective just 3 years later.
Which is kind of quick, because usually you don't hear people becoming a detective until maybe like 10 years in, but he hadn't even been 5 5 years in, he became a detective. So I always was really proud of him for that.
He last saw his father on Thanksgiving, the day prior to the shooting.
Never not going to be a day that I don't miss my dad. Some days feel heavier than others. Of course, the holidays, I wasn't really in the holiday spirit at all, to say the least.
After being released from the hospital, Jarrell was brought to court in a wheelchair, where the following charges were read: 1 count of first-degree murder, 1 count of attempted murder of a peace officer, 1 count of possession of a stolen firearm, and 1 count of unlawful use of a weapon by a felon. Jarrell is being held without bond as his case moves to trial. Notably, he has 2 prior felony convictions for aggravated battery against law enforcement, which prohibited him from owning a firearm. Reports show he stole the gun from his sister after an altercation with his father. She reported the missing gun to Chicago police 5 days before the shooting. Jarrell faces a minimum of 20 years in prison without probation and a maximum of life without parole. He will not face the death penalty, as the incident occurred in Illinois. If you would like to support Detective Alan Reddin's family, we've linked his fundraiser.
Man. What? That's crazy, bruh. He died. That's so sad. That's sad. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's sad, man. That's sad. Yeah, that inmate is a piece of crap, man. Or not inmate. Well, he's an inmate now. Yeah. He's an inmate now. I mean, but you know, that guy is a piece of crap, man. Dude. And this is the thing. He's getting found guilty. It's a wrap. His life is over. You killed the cop? Oh yeah, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. So we're literally sitting here watching this guy's last moments of freedom. And this is how he decided to end his life, man, because, you know, it's just, if you're doing life in prison, I mean, you might as well end your life. Like, it is what it is. I'm sorry. Like, it is what it is. Like, you know, it's a wrap. You know what I'm saying? It's a wrap, man. This guy is a piece of crap, man. Feel bad for that officer, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.